Hello everyone, this is Azhar. In this video, I will talk about the best ways to recruit for free on LinkedIn. Watch this video till the end because I have given a lot of valuable information in this video. Let's go to our computer screen. First, go to the LinkedIn search bar, then type whatever you are searching for. Suppose I am searching for project manager construction. Then I will just type project manager construction, then press enter. The first line has filter. First filter is what you are searching on LinkedIn. Suppose you are searching for people, then select people. Then only peoples are available. So in this case, you are searching for candidates. Then in this case, you will just select people. If you look below, then you will find jobs, posts, companies, schools, groups, events, courses, etc. So we'll just focus on people. Then the next filter which we have is a connection filter. Here we have first degree connection, second degree connection, third degree connection. First degree connection is the direct connection, meaning someone with whom you are connected directly on LinkedIn. Second degree connection is the connection with which your first degree connections are connected. Third degree connections is the connection with which your second degree connections are connected. So you can select whatever you want. Suppose I filter it down to first degree connection. As you can see, only first degree connections are visible. This is first degree, first degree, first degree. Now I filter it down to second degree connection. As you can see, only second degree connections are visible. I will reset it. Then we have a location. We can filter the candidate as per location. Like if we are searching for a candidate from Mumbai, so I can filter it for Mumbai. If I click here, then you can see only Mumbai candidates are available. Mumbai, Mumbai, Mumbai. Thane is also near to Mumbai, so I think that's why it is showing Thane also. I can filter it down to United States or Maharashtra region or whatever I want. Then I'll reset it. Then I will select current company. You can you can filter out the candidates according to the current company. For example, we have Capgemini, Microsoft. If I click on Capgemini, then LinkedIn will filter out candidates which are currently working in Capgemini. Then I have all filters. I've already told you about connections. Then we have this filter connections off. So you can add a connection. Suppose if I add here Selena. So LinkedIn will only show me the candidates which are in connection with Selena, which are connected with Selena on LinkedIn. So all these candidates are connected with Selena. Then we have location, I already explained it. Then we have current company, I already explained it. Then we have past company, you can filter out candidate according to past company. Then we have school, you can filter the candidate according to the education, whether they have studied in University of Mumbai or Delhi University. So you can filter the candidates according to their education. You can also add some school name if you want to. Then we have industry. You can filter the candidates according to the industry, whether it is staffing and recruiting, information technology, construction, whatever it is. And you can also add an industry as per your choice. It will show you options. Like if I type construction con, then I'm having options like consumer electronics, consumer good. This options I'm having. You can also filter the profiles with their profile language. Then you can filter the candidates if they are open for pro bono consulting and volunteering or joining a non-profit board. Then you can filter the candidate with service categories. Then you can filter the candidate with keywords. You can type in, like, if here is Prashant, so if I type in the first name Prashant, then LinkedIn will show me only candidates with the first name Prashant, Prashant, Prashant. As you can see, all are Prashants. Then you can add keywords of last name, title, or company, school, and you can filter the candidates. So the search is finished. Here comes the important part of approaching the candidate or asking for references. Just click on the candidate profile which you think is relevant. So I think this profile is relevant. Prashant. If you see the profile as a good match for the role, then send a connection request. While sending a connection request, just add a note. This is very important. It has to be in very simple English. Don't use complicated words. For example, I will write here, hi Prashant, I am looking for project manager construction for XYZ company for Mumbai. If you are interested, do reply. Regards, Azhar Khan. And I will add email address, mobile number. By adding a mobile number and email address, you are increasing your chances to get a reply, because many people don't reply on LinkedIn. They prefer to call or send email. So after this, just click on send. I'm not clicking it because I don't want to send it. You can also ask for references since he's a senior project manager. So I can ask him about safety managers or procurement managers because he must be knowing them. There is a high probability because he's a project manager, might have worked with them. So you can ask him about the reference. So I'll click here, add a note, and I will ask him, hi Prashant, I am looking for project manager construction for XYZ company for Mumbai. If you have any references, do reply. Regards, Azhar Khan. Add your email address, add your mobile number. Or if you are from consultancy, then you can hide the company name. You can just write, I'm looking for project manager for Mumbai. You can remove this and send it accordingly. So this is very effective method to recruit for free on LinkedIn. You can also do free job posting. Let me show you free job posting, how you can do it. So just click on start a post, then click on share that you are hiring, then select the company with which you want to do free job posting, then enter the job title, project manager construction. So for this you need to select the job title from the drop down. I am selecting construction project manager, which is related to my job title. Then location is already there, Mumbai. I can change it if I want to. I can write United States, New York, United States. Then here we have job type: full-time, part-time, contractual, temporary, others, volunteer, internship. So you can select whatever is your job type. I'm selecting full-time. You can also type in the description of the job, like skills and description you are looking for, or if you want to add salary details, that also you can enter it here. I'm just randomly writing something. Should have experience in managing the complete project, should know about MS projects, should have the experience to work on Primavera. You can also add a hiring photo frame to your profile, or if you don't want to add, just click on don't add the photo frame. If you decide not to add, then the job won't be added to your profile as well. So I think there is no harm in adding the photo frame next to your profile, next to your photo. Then you can click on done, and you can also post this job post on your profile as well. You need to click on post, and it is asking whether you want to promote your job post to reach more qualified candidates. I will click on not now because I want my job posting to be completely free. So here we have the option to view my job. I will click on this. As you can see, the LinkedIn job posting is done. I can manage my job post. If you want to close your job, then you can click here. Just click on close the job. And if you want to view applicants, you can click here, view applicants, and LinkedIn will show you applicants who have applied to your job. Hope you understood the free ways to search candidates on LinkedIn. If you learned anything from this video, you can support this channel by clicking on the thanks button below. See you in next video. Bye.